Rekha Kale, your happiness coach, who has been teaching since 1969. And yes, I have been teaching psychology as well as medicine and law. But in my journey of teaching, I realized that the humanity, the society at large, you people need certain things which are never taught. And that is how to live powerfully. And that is where we have come up with the effective life management training program, which is going to be purely online for you so that you can find out all the stumbling blocks in your life and learn how to face them, how to handle them, and later on, how to detect and find out and tap all your inner potentials and develop them best so that you can be the best.
Hello everyone, my name is Pallavi Mururkar. I am corporate trainer and I have been in education industry from 2006. I welcome you all to Effective Life Management podcast with Dr. Rekha Kare. So Dr. Rekha Kare,
Hello.
hello. Can you please brief our audience about your Effective Life Management program?
Sure. All right. See, I'm Dr. Rekha Kare. I've been into training ever since 1969. But in all my journey, I realized one thing, that people live their life, but there are lots of problems they face. And there are very small triggers with the help of which they create a big mess in their life. And all these triggers can be handled very effectively if at all they understand these triggers and they know how to manage those situations without facing any problems and without creating any problems for themselves and others. And that is where I decided to organize this whole effective life management workshop, which is going to be purely online.
Okay. You mean to say that if someone he will do this Effective Life Management program,
Yeah.
the question is what sort of benefits he will get through this program if he is doing it?
Right. I will tell you. See, I would only say one thing, ki whatever we are doing, we are always interested in making our life happy, because every individual is seeking health, wealth, success and happiness.
Correct.
These are the four things. And the way in which we are leading the life, the way in which we are handling our life, the way in which we are handling our life situations, that way actually determines how well we achieve our health, wealth, success and happiness.
Okay.
And that is where effective life management is the foundation for every individual for doing anything in life. And in short, every individual who is a student or who is just starting his business or who is in the middle order business or who is at the end of his service, like retirement, at all stages, a person needs to handle his life effectively. Is it?
Okay. So, Dr. Rekha, can you just brief us about the modules of this program so that we will get clear vision of this program?
Absolutely, dear. See, the whole program, Effective Life Management, is a 1 year training program.
Okay.
And that is purely online. So that people from all through the globe can attend it.
Okay.
And what we are going to do is 1 week will be online classroom training. and that too 2 hours. That means 20 minutes training, about 10 to 15 minutes question answer session. Again 20 minutes training, 10 to 15 minutes question answer, that is discussion. Like that we have 3 sub sessions into every session. Like that there will be 5 sessions or 5 days. After those 5 days you are given some assignments which you will be carrying out for 3 weeks. And in these 3 weeks there will be 3 weekly follow-up sessions. After those follow-up sessions, again there will be a 5-day session, classroom, and 3 weekly follow-up sessions. Like that, all together, we are going to go for 48 weeks. Means 12 weeks classrooms. That is every day 2 hours. And then 36 weeks weekly follow-up session.
Okay, that's great. I'm very excited for this program, Dr. Rekha Kare. And I just have one query. How can one register for this program?
Well, it's very simple because it is a completely online training. You can see the numbers scrolling down and people can call on that number, they can send WhatsApp message also, and at the same time, there is a link to which they can click and fill the Google form to register themselves for this program. Because registration is very simple and easy. Okay? And that is going to be fun.
And there is no age group.
No, there is no age limit. Anybody, any person, ideally from 18 years onwards or 16 years onwards, till the age of 90 can join. It's perfectly alright.
That's great.